DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Welcome to DJM TV Weekly News Update. I am Lauru Favor. Please, if you're new to this channel,
unfortunate developments from the NSAS protests over the last few days. We just completed a security meeting and deliberated extensively on security response to these issues. Unfortunately, the Inspector General of Police has sent DIG Okoye, Celestine Okoye, to come and support the command. The brigade commander, the commissioner of police, the Air Force commander, the director of the DSS, and the commander of the Civil Defense Corps all joined myself, my deputy, and the SSG in this security meeting to analyze and assess the security developments in the state. You will recall that the government imposed a 24-hour curfew yesterday, commencing at 4 p.m. I want to thank the law-abiding citizens of Edo State for complying largely with the curfew. However, we observed that a few hoodlums violated the curfew most of today, and the security chiefs have met, and certain stern actions will follow shortly.
The Inspector General directed I should come here, and the terrain is my normal terrain. Most of you know me. I am here to boost your morale, to tell you that we are ready to protect you. And we also ask the miscreants to please remain in their houses now. Be law-abiding at this moment. Don't take laws into your hands, because you may end up meeting something that is not good for you. And I ask our youths to also calm down, cool your temper. I believe the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is looking into your demands, and solutions will come.
DJM TV. DJM TV.